right. Hi, this is Brenda Mullen with Remax Access. And we have just gotten done with selling Liam Brandon Davis's home, and I just wanted to ask you a few questions. How was it working with me as a realtor?
It was great. Brenda was wonderful. She was very on point. She got everything done in a timely manner. Any questions we had, she responded very quickly. She knew the process, so I would say she seemed very knowledgeable, and she was very friendly. And so that helped the process go along in a more, I guess, personable manner. So we had a really good experience with Brenda.
Well, I am glad to hear it. So did your house sell quickly enough, you think?
Sold very, very quickly. We put it in during Christmas time, but after like the New Year and the holidays, I mean, it was first buyer.
It was 1 month.
It wasn't even, yeah, really long, and then we had an offer like that, and so it was great. So her advertising, whatever she must have done, must have been working.
And just one more question. Would you use me, Brenda Mullen with Remax Access, again as a realtor?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Definitely.
Absolutely.
Lee and Brandon, it's been a pleasure working with you, and thank you so much for taking your time to do this testimonial for me.
Got it.
No worries.